questions of 2024 based on this particular topic. The question would be common for each of these. Either they will give you an arrow and ask you to figure out which of the option given is correct. So that is the first type of question that can be asked. Second type of question that can be asked is identify the top view. Now not many times, but a few times we have seen that arrow is not given. Okay, in that case what you should do is you should be able to identify also that which side are we talking about. Okay, now moving to the first one. The question figure shows the 3D view of an object. Identify the correct top view amongst the answer figures. Okay, top view meaning the arrow is going to come somewhat like this, and if the object is there and you are viewing it from a top or from a bird's eye view or from the aeroplane or just from the top, what are you going to see? Now from the top, what is the surface that you will be able to see? The top surface for this, the top surface for this one, the top surface for this one. Again, these top surfaces you will be able to view. Now first of all, there has to be one rectangle or a square here. This is continuing, this particular face is continuing, so you have a rectangle, another square over here. Now in elevation or from the top view, the level difference is there. Okay, because of this level difference you will have a line over here. If at all this was on the same level, then it would have been a huge one rectangle, but since the difference is there, there is going to be a line. Okay, so the projection over here, you have a square, you have a square, there is nothing in between. Okay, if it is just a surface, if it is not an object, you will be able to see nothing over there. So part 1, part 2, part 3, this is 1, 2, 3, then you have this fourth rectangle and this fifth rectangle that you will be able to view from the top. Okay, now among the following, choose which one is the correct one. For example, here you are able to see another line, meaning above ground level or above the ground surface there is an object, but here we have seen there is no such object, so you can eliminate this. Okay, you can eliminate this also based on our understanding. Now only 2 and 4 are left. Okay, let's observe the options very carefully first. In this you are able to see 3 squares, something that you should be able to see for this object, but in the fourth one you are not able to see lines drawn over here. Meaning what? Meaning the entire rectangle you will be able to view on the same surface. Okay, meaning if the rectangle or the cuboid over here was something like this on the same level, you would have seen option number 4. So currently for our object, option number 2 is the correct one. Okay, be very careful while solving these